Hello, little one. We already met the dinosaurs, but did you know there were also giant creatures living in the sea millions of years ago? Today we are going to meet 10 incredible prehistoric sea creatures. These amazing animals lived at the same time as the dinosaurs. We will learn their names, their colours, and the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's dive into the prehistoric ocean. Shh! Something enormous is swimming towards us. It's a Megalodon. The Megalodon was the biggest shark that ever lived. Its teeth were as big as your hand. The Megalodon says, "Chomp, chomp, chomp." Can you say chomp? Chomp! Brilliant! What colour is the Megalodon? The Megalodon is grey and white. Enormous grey and white, the biggest shark ever. Grey and white, Megalodon. Look at those enormous jaws. It's a Mosasaurus. The Mosasaurus was like a giant sea lizard. It was as long as a school bus. The Mosasaurus goes, snap, snap, snap. Can you say snap? Snap, amazing. What colour is the Mosasaurus? The Mosasaurus is dark green with a huge, powerful tail. Dark green, Mosasaurus. Look at that incredibly long neck. It's a plesiosaur. The plesiosaur had a tiny head on a very, very long neck. Some people think it might be what the Loch Ness monster looks like. The plesiosaur goes splash, splash, splash. Can you say splash? Splash, fantastic. What colour is the plesiosaur? The plesiosaur is blue and grey. Blue and grey with a long, elegant neck. Blue and grey, plesiosaur. This one looks a bit like a dolphin. It's an Ichthyosaurus. Ichthyosaurus, can you say that? Ichthyosaurus, well done, that's a very big word. The Ichthyosaurus was one of the fastest prehistoric sea creatures. The Ichthyosaurus goes, swoosh, 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 and can you say swoosh? Swoosh, wonderful. What colour is the Ichthyosaurus? The Ichthyosaurus is silver and grey. Silver and grey, speeding through the prehistoric ocean. Silver and grey, Ichthyosaurus. Look at those incredible armoured plates on its head. It's a Dunkleosteus. The Dunkleosteus had no teeth, instead it had razor-sharp bony plates that worked like scissors. The Dunkleosteus goes, crunch, crunch, crunch. Can you say crunch? Crunch, superb. What colour is the Dunkleosteus? The Dunkleosteus is brown and grey. Armoured brown and grey with bony plates. Brown and grey, Dunkleosteus. Look at the size of that head. It's a Kronosaurus. The Kronosaurus had one of the biggest heads of any ocean predator. Its skull was as long as a car. The Kronosaurus says, ROAAARRR, roar, roar. Can you say ROAAARRR? Roar, excellent. What colour is the Kronosaurus? The Kronosaurus is dark blue and green. Dark blue and green with massive jaws. Dark blue and green, Kronosaurus. Look at that extraordinary spiral of teeth. It's a Helicoprion. The Helicoprion had a circular spiral of teeth in its jaw, like a spinning saw. The Helicoprion goes WHIRR. Can you say WHIRR? WHIRR, spectacular. What colour is the Helicoprion? The Helicoprion is silver. Silver with an amazing spinning spiral of teeth. Silver, Helicoprion. Look how incredibly long that neck is.
Wow,
it's an Elasmosaurus. The
Elasmosaurus
had the longest neck of any sea creature ever, with 72 bones in its neck alone. The Elasmosaurus goes, swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Can you say swoosh? Swoosh, brilliant. What color is the Elasmosaurus?
Wow, this
The
prehistoric
Elasmosaurus
ocean
is
amazing
dark
sights
green and
down
grey.
here.
Dark green and grey with a neck as long as a tree. Dark green and grey, dark green and grey,
Wow,
Elasmosaurus.
this prehistoric ocean amazing.
Here comes a very powerful predator. It's a Liopleurodon. The Liopleurodon was one of the most powerful hunters in the prehistoric ocean, with 4 enormous flippers. The Liopleurodon says, growl, growl, growl. Can you say growl? Growl, incredible. What color is the Liopleurodon? The Liopleurodon is dark grey and blue. Dark grey and blue with powerful flippers. Dark grey and blue, Liopleurodon. Look very carefully at the ocean floor. It's a trilobite. The trilobite was one of the very first creatures to ever live in the ocean, millions and millions of years ago. The trilobite goes, scuttle, scuttle, scuttle. Can you say scuttle? Scuttle, magnificent. What color is the trilobite? The trilobite is brown and golden. Brown and golden with a beautiful segmented shell. Brown and gold, trilobite. The Megalodon goes chomp, grey and white and vast. Chomp, 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 the biggest shark that passed. The Mosasaurus goes snap, dark green through the sea. Snap, 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 as long can be. The Plesiosaur goes splash, blue and grey and tall. Splash, 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 with the longest neck of all. Ichthyosaurus goes swoosh, silver grey and fast. Swoosh, 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 zooming unsurpassed. Dunkleosteus goes crunch, brown and grey and wide. Crunch, 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 with armour on its side. Kronosaurus goes roar, dark blue, green and grand. Roar, 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 the mightiest in the land. Helicoprion goes whirr, silver spiral bright. Whirr, 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 spinning through the night. Elasmosaurus goes swoosh, dark green, grey and long. Swoosh, 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 its neck is oh so strong. Liopleurodon goes growl, dark grey, blue and bold. Growl, 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 the fiercest to behold. Trilobite goes scuttle, brown and golden too. Scuttle, 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 the oldest creature who. What an incredible dive into the prehistoric ocean today. Let's remember all our amazing prehistoric sea creatures. The Megalodon said, chomp. The Mosasaurus went, snap. The Plesiosaur went, splash. The Ichthyosaurus went, swoosh. The Dunkleosteus went, crunch. The Kronosaurus said, roar. The Helicoprion went, whirr. The Elasmosaurus went, swoosh. The Liopleurodon said, growl. And the Trilobite went, scuttle. You are so clever for learning all those amazing names. See you next time in the prehistoric ocean. Bye bye.